Hi there, Doug here. Got Suki over here waiting while resting her head on her favorite lock. Okay, well, that's not Suki, but this is an entry to Chris Capune's drawing, and I thought I would start by opening as if I were Chris. And Suki's over here, kind of, to help me out. So today I'm going to actually be picking two American locks. I'm going to do the 5200 and the 1100. Reason I like them, the 5200 has kind of a neat feel when it finally engages. When you get a click, it's a nice, tiny, sharp click. This one, and I may as well start picking, is the 1100, and the reason I like the 1100 is because it has a very nice spool, and when I finally get there, I get a strong false set, so I know exactly where things are. Once I get, and there's that false set that I was talking about. Now it's just find the spool, and we're open. All right, on to the next one. Oops, get that out of the way. So we've got the 5200. And we're going to go to the Peterson Gem for this one. Yeah, top keyway is always temperamental. Well, that's why. No. Got to make sure I've got the right tensioner in there. The other one's sized a little off. So here we go. Working our way down the stack. Okay, just set one pin. There's always that one that sets. Okay. Just set pin one. Now that nice one at the back. Once I get the main one set, almost there, and we've got an open. I think I've got a little time left over, so I'm going to go to my third favorite. This one is a nice big chunky lock. It's got a great feel to it, and I love when it finally pops. It's got a really strong chunk sound. Actually, I'm nearly there, but I'm going to switch to the low profile hook, Peterson hook number 1. Alrighty. And whoa. There's that spool, number 1, number 2. And there's our bonus. So 3 of my favorite locks. Got the 2 that I promised, and 1 more as an extra. Congrats, Chris. 1 year on YouTube. Keep them coming. Really interesting content. Love what you're doing. Keep it up. Thanks, and Suki's substitute says hi. By the way, if you're newbies here, please do encourage me. Like my wife says when I'm making dad jokes, don't encourage him. Well, encourage me. Subscribe, like, let me know you like what I'm doing. Thanks and take care.